Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default language in Shopify. Offering your online store in multiple languages can significantly increase your customer base and sales. It enhances the user experience, builds trust, and can improve conversion rates. We will cover the essential steps to make your Shopify store welcoming and accessible to a global audience, ensuring your content resonates with customers worldwide. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel. On the bottom left corner of your screen, you will find the Settings option. Click on it, then navigate to Languages from the sidebar. In the Published Languages section, click Change Default next to your current language. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select your preferred new default language. Remember to click Save to apply these changes. Expanding your store's reach means adding more languages. From the Languages settings, click Add Language to choose from Shopify's supported options. Once added, you must publish it to make it available to your customers. Next, assign this new language to your relevant markets. This ensures that customers in those regions will see your store in their preferred language, enhancing their shopping journey. After adding languages, you'll need to translate your store's content. Shopify offers its Translate and Adapt app, which provides options for manual and auto translation. Alternatively, you can find many excellent third-party translation apps in the Shopify App Store. Always review your translations carefully to ensure they are accurate and culturally appropriate, providing a seamless and professional experience for every customer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.